Hello everyone, this is Sadhna for Social Science and I welcome everyone to SRBPS online classes. Students, in today's video we will learn about the mineral resources in India. In this video, we are going to learn about the minerals and mining, the two types of minerals, that is metallic and non-metallic minerals, and the distribution of metallic and non-metallic minerals in India. We use a lot of things which are made up of minerals. Thus, minerals can be classified as metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Minerals are formed below the surface of the earth over thousands of years. Some minerals are found just below the surface of the earth and some are found deep below the earth's surface. Very deep holes are dug on the surface of the earth to take out these minerals. These holes are called mines, and the process of taking out minerals from the mines is called mining. Let's learn about metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are found in rocks that are found deep inside the earth's surface. A rock might be made up of one type of mineral or many types of minerals. The minerals from which metals like iron, copper, gold, silver, aluminium, mica and manganese are obtained are called metallic minerals. Minerals from which metals are extracted are called the ores of those metals. Ores generally contain a lot of impurities in the form of soil and pieces of rocks. So, these have to be purified in order to make them useful for us. Now, let us know about some of the metals. Iron. It is one of the most important and widely used metals. India has huge reserves of iron ore. It is used in producing steel, which is used in making utensils, vehicles, machines, etc. Iron is also used to build bridges, buildings, etc. Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Rourkela, Bhilai and Durg have big factories where iron ore is smelted to produce iron and steel. Next is copper. Copper is another important metal which is used to make electrical wires, utensils, tools, etc. Aluminium. It is extracted from its ore called bauxite. It is the most abundant metal on the earth's crust. It is a light metal and hence used for making utensils, aeroplanes, etc. Next is mica. It is used for making electrical goods, and India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Manganese. Manganese is used to make steel and glass. gold and silver. Gold is one of the well-known minerals, and silver is also a significant mineral. Both gold and silver are used to make jewelry. This table is showing the state-wise distribution of metallic minerals. Let us know about the states where the metallic minerals are found. Iron. Iron is found in Jharkhand, Karnataka, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Copper is found in Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. Aluminium is found in Jharkhand, Gujarat, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Mica is found in Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Manganese is found in Karnataka, Odisha, Goa, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. And gold is found in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Now let us know about non-metallic minerals. Minerals which do not contain metals are called non-metallic minerals. Most of the non-metallic minerals like coal, petroleum and natural gas are an important source of energy. These are also known as fossil fuels because they are made up of dead plants and animals that got buried under the earth millions of years ago. Now let us learn about some non-metallic minerals. Coal. It is used for heating, cooking and producing electricity. It is also used in industries as a raw material. India is the second largest producer of coal in the world. Petroleum. Petroleum is found with many impurities. This form of petroleum is called crude oil. It is refined in big oil refineries. We get petrol, diesel, kerosene, lubricating oil during the refinement of crude oil. The major oil refineries in India are located at Jamnagar, Digboi, Kochi, Mumbai, Chennai, Mathura, Panipat and Barnoi. Natural gas. At some places, natural gas is also found in oil wells. Natural gas is also used as an important fuel. This table is showing the distribution of coal, petroleum and natural gas. Let us know about the states. Coal is found in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Bihar. Petroleum is found in Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Natural gas is found in Assam and Gujarat. Students, fuels are non-renewable natural resources. That is, they can be used only once. Besides, they are available to us in a limited quantity. Therefore, we should use fuels judiciously. We should switch off the electrical appliances when they are not in use. By saving electricity, we can save coal because a huge amount of coal is used to produce electricity. we should prefer to use the renewable sources of energy, that is, those which can be used more than once. Some common examples of renewable sources of energy are wind energy, solar energy, etc.